Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video, I'll be making everyone's favorite food. You guessed it, it's hot wings. I'll be making smoked hot wings and tzatziki dipping sauce to go along with it. Exact measurements will be in the description down below. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, click that subscribe button, and comment down below what other recipes you want to see next. And also make sure to click the bell to get notified when a new video is up. Alright, let's make some fire food. First, cut the wings into drums and flat, then place it into a bowl and add 1:1 ratio of water to vinegar, then let it sit for 10 minutes. While our wings are sitting in the vinegar and water solution, we're going to prepare our marinade. In a separate bowl, add 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup Italian dressing, 3/4 cup of your favorite hot sauce, 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup honey mustard, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Now, add the marinade to the wings and mix well. Cover the container with saran wrap and place it in the fridge for 6 hours. While the wings are in the fridge, I'll prepare my tzatziki dipping sauce. First, peel 1 cucumber, then grate it into small pieces. Then dry out the paper towel to remove the extra water. Then cut some fresh dill very fine with a sharp knife. Then in a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup diced cucumber, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill, then mix well. Now let's get back to the wings. On a cooking rack, place the wings and it's time for seasoning. I will season the wings with barbecue rub. I'm using Weber's original barbecue rub. Also, I'm adding a small amount of baking powder to get that crispy outer skin because let's be honest, no one likes soggy wings. Now flip the wings and apply the barbecue rub on the other side and pat it down with your hands to ensure that the rub sticks to the wings. I'm going to put the wings on the smoker at 275 degrees for 1.5 to 2 hours, and I'll be using hickory and apple wood. Now that the wings are ready, it's time to fire up the smoker. Now that the wings are done, just dip it in the tzatziki sauce and enjoy. Try this recipe out and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Also share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And that's the end of the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.